Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. You don't understand how impatient I am, and I've realised that through this box. So I have been waiting an awfully long time. It's currently the 11th of November and I've only received my Halloween mystery box today. But I've never got a Jeffree Star mystery box before. I'm so excited. You know, I've never been able to really afford any of them, if I'm honest. I just thought, you know what, treat yourself. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics and I've been waiting for this box. I'm so excited. I just thought I deserve it after this year. So here we are. I know people can afford like all 3 boxes. I don't know how the bloody hell they can do that, but I have bills to pay, so I cannot afford that. So we've got this one anyway, and I bought the deluxe one, so I got the biggest one there is, and I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it yet. So anyway, let's get on with the video. So let's open it up, shall we? I don't want to show you my address, but oh, you don't understand how excited I am. I literally can't cope. I've got my little shrine here of just pink stuff. I've got all the other stuff over there, but just thought I'd put the pink stuff in the background because it's kind of cute with the pink tinsel, getting the Christmas vibes when we're opening a Halloween box, but hey ho. So I currently have the blood sugar palette. So I wouldn't mind the blue blood, which I've had in some of them. I know the blood sugar ones in some of them. I know the bloodlust ones in them. I really want the bloodlust, which is the purple one. Let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even want to open it. Alright, calm down. This is what it's looking like. So we've got a t-shirt, which I'm very excited about. I haven't got any of his clothing, so let's just do it. So I've got the t-shirt. Let's look at this one. As you can see, I can't actually see anything else in here, so let's just look at the t-shirt first. I haven't got any of his clothing at all. Oh, I do actually. I have the teddy bear hoodie, which is amazing. I ideally wanted the large box, because I'm kind of a medium to large. I like large because I like my clothes baggy, so I'm hoping this fits. I had the large was sold out, so I had to get the medium, which usually does fit me. I just like to get things bigger. So this is the t-shirt. How cool! I don't even like any clothing orange, so it's looking pretty cool, to be honest. I really like it. This looks like dirt though, to be honest. I'm not the biggest fan, but it's kind of like tie-dye. Shall I just put it on now? Hold on. How do we look? We're liking it? Excited about this. Looking pretty cool. Let's move on. Oh, please, bloodlust. Please. Alright, yeah, we've got it. I'm just going to get it straight out because I'm so excited. Okay, we've got the bloodlust. I am so happy. Thank you to the Lords. Here it is. Beautiful little bloodlust. I have wanted this since it came out. This has been one of my probably favourite launches I've seen. The palette looks so like luxurious, but I just have not been able to afford it, so I'm so happy. Oh, I love it. I actually really like it. I think this is one of the most luxurious ones I've seen. So here we open it up. Ooh la la. So here's the palette. I'm sure most of you have probably seen it if you like Jeffree Star already, but if not, here it is. It's so pretty. I mean, I love the shimmers and stuff. This isn't the most like, I don't know, they're all a little bit random, but I don't care because I want this palette and I've got it and I'm well happy, and I just love the packaging. This is going to look so cute on display. This box comes with 8 items, so we've got a lot more to go. Right, so now we've got an Extreme Frost, which I have not got one of these either because, again, one cannot afford. So we've got an Extreme Frost. I don't know what the colour is. I haven't actually even seen this packaging because I haven't got one. So it's like a jewellery box. It's so fancy, look. Yes, Lord. It's the white one. This couldn't get better if I tried. It's the white one. I was hoping for that, but I wasn't sure I was going to get it. It's Lick My Glit. Like glitter. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited. Let's put some on. I am going to be drenched in this. Look at it. Are you seeing this? It's like white, but it's got a pink sheen to it, I would say. But it's so glittery. I love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I haven't seen anything else yet. The only other things I'm hoping for is the liquid lipstick, or the lipsticks or lip products, just to not be bright and weird. But because I've got a lot of them already. Like I used to, when he first basically started launching the velour liquid lipsticks, like the beginning of his brand basically, I've been supporting him since literally the start of his brand. And the liquid lipsticks that I have lots of them, but they're all very strange colours, so they're not very wearable. So for like today, for example, just working from home, I am working from home, I just ran upstairs and thought I'd record this quickly. They can wait. Like working from home, for example, I just wanted to pop on a nude or a nice coloured lipstick, but there's not many Jeffree ones I've got, so let's see what else we've got. We've got, ooh, lip scrub. I have not got one of these. Honestly, it's like you bloody read my mind. So we've got a lip scrub, which I haven't got any of these either. I've got some Lush ones, but not Jeff. And this is Blue Raspberry Sacco. I've wanted this one for so long. It sounds like it would taste really nice. So obviously, we're not going to try it on. I've just got some lipstick on right now, but let's get it out because I'm so excited. So this is the velour lip scrub. Cute packaging. Oh, I'm honestly over the moon. Stop it. Stop. Stop. It smells like a blue raspberry slush puppy, and it's like, but like a really good one, like a nice, not like just one of the cheap ones, like good. The gloss. Okay, what shade have we got? I don't even know what shades they are. Stop it. So we've got the gloss again. I haven't got any of these because I am poor. So let's see which shade we've got. It says Candy Drip, which I swear is the one I want. I swear. Oh my Jesus, it's the one I wanted. Can you believe this? He's been checking my bloody baskets. How do I get it out? Come on. Oh. Literally smells like candy. Maybe a mirror will help. Shiny! So now we've got the gloss on as well. We're looking very shiny right now, but I am so happy. So that's 1, 2, 3, 5. So we've got 3 things left, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for better. I'm actually so happy. This is Widow. I think this is a lip balm. Yeah, it's a lip balm, and I think this is an exclusive item. I'm not entirely sure, but it's got this marble packaging here. So I think this is the exclusive one. Oh, very fancy. So here it is, the lip balm. It's pretty cool, to be honest, because it's got like this black balmy part, which I think is really cool. I've never seen that before, so I'm a big fan of this. Let's open this one first. What's this? Lip liner. I have not tried any of the lip liners either. This is in Calabasas, which is a good shade because at least this is like a wearable shade. Oh, so they've got the top as well. I wasn't sure if they were going to also have the top here, but this is it. Very fancy. I love it. And it's like a reddy kind of shade, so definitely wearable. One of his like more wearable shades, which I'm happy about. And the last one is a velour liquid lipstick, and this is in Designer Blood, which I'm happy about because I will wear this, and I'm pretty sure I was going to buy this one day. I've got Unicorn Blood, which I think is very similar but not as dark. So this one's like a darker reddy kind of brown shade, which I really like, so I'm so happy. So let's open it up. Let's see the smell. Okay, so that is everything. Oh, I'm so excited. So the total price that I paid for this was, I think it was around $130 something, which for me ended up being around £100, maybe a little bit more. And then I also paid for custom charges when it comes to me because I live in the UK, and it cost me around £30, £24 maybe, between that 24 and 30, I can't quite remember, but it was about that. So it was a lot of money, but I'm really happy and it was way worth it, so I'm happy. If you got the mystery box as well, please let me know down in the comments what you got, if you were happy with yours, if you weren't happy, what palette you got, what clothing you got. I really wanted a hoodie, but I wasn't even sure if he was putting hoodies in there, but I would have been well happy with a hoodie. But I'm happy with this t-shirt. It's pretty cute. I wouldn't wear it that much, but I definitely wear it around the house. I just hate that it's quite tight to my stomach, but I'm sure I can stretch it out and it'll be fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wanted to unbox it on camera because I just wanted you to see my real excitement and how I actually feel. To be honest, I've watched some of these in the past and they're just like, here it is, I got this, and it's so boring. So I'm hoping my excitement rubs off on you and you get excited about it too. Maybe not, maybe you don't even like Jeffree Star, I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. And if you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!